SAP Freelance versus full-time. Which career path suits you? Navigating the dynamic world of SAP careers requires careful consideration of personal and professional aspirations. The SAP Career Crossroads in 2026. The SAP ecosystem is experiencing unprecedented growth, driven by the widespread adoption of S/4HANA, Business Technology Platform (BTP), and extensive cloud transformations. This boom creates a dynamic landscape for SAP professionals. As the demand for specialized skills surges, many find themselves at a pivotal career crossroads, pursuing the flexibility and autonomy of freelancing or the stability and structure of full-time employment. Understanding the unique trade-offs of each path is crucial for making an informed decision that aligns with your professional aspirations and personal life goals. Pivotal choice: navigating your professional future. Booming market, high demand for SAP skills. Key trade-offs: stability versus flexibility. Why choose full-time SAP employment? Stable salary and benefits. Enjoy predictable income, comprehensive health care, retirement plans, and generous paid time off, ensuring financial security and well-being. Company-funded development. Access continuous learning, training programs, and certifications without personal financial burden, keeping your skills sharp and marketable. Influence. Engage in long-term projects, influence SAP roadmaps, and grow into leadership roles within a structured organizational framework. Potential downsides: less schedule flexibility and potential for rigid work hours. Slower salary growth compared to top freelance rates. Navigating internal bureaucracy and corporate politics. The freelance SAP lifestyle. Freedom and high earnings. High earning potential. Typical daily rates in 2026 can range from 900 to 1,200 euro plus in strong markets like Germany, offering significant income opportunities. Autonomy and choice. Select projects, industries, and clients that align with your expertise and interests, often with remote-friendly work options. Work-life balance. Design your own schedule, take planned breaks between contracts, and achieve a work-life integration that suits your personal needs. Key challenges. Income gaps during periods between projects. No employer-provided benefits, must self-fund healthcare and retirement. Responsibility for managing taxes, contracts, and administrative tasks. Real talk, pros and cons side by side. Aspect: income. Full-time SAP employee, steady, predictable salary with annual increments. SAP freelancer, potentially higher but variable based on projects and market demand. Aspect: benefits. Full-time SAP employee, comprehensive health insurance, retirement plans, and paid time off. SAP freelancer, none provided, requires self-funded benefits and insurance. Aspect: flexibility. Full-time SAP employee, fixed hours, often office-based, less control over work schedule. SAP freelancer, high flexibility to choose hours, projects, and work location. Aspect: career growth. Full-time SAP employee, structured path, opportunities for leadership and internal promotion. SAP freelancer, diverse projects, entrepreneurial development, broad industry exposure. Aspect: job security. Full-time SAP employee, high, generally stable employment barring significant company changes. SAP freelancer, contract-dependent, lower perceived security between engagements. Who thrives as a full-time SAP professional? The full-time SAP career path is ideal for individuals who prioritize a sense of security and enjoy a predictable work environment. It's often the preferred choice for those building a family or planning long-term financial stability. This role also suits professionals who aim for deep engagement within a single organization, aspiring to grow into senior leadership positions and make a lasting impact on corporate strategy. Values stability, prefers reliable income and benefits, seeks leadership, aims for deep organizational impact, prefers structure, thrives with clear career progression. Who thrives as an SAP freelancer? Freelancing in SAP is best suited for highly motivated and entrepreneurial individuals who possess niche, in-demand SAP skills. They thrive on variety, enjoying the challenge of new projects across different industries. This path appeals to those who desire significant control over their work-life balance and are comfortable with the autonomy and responsibility of managing their own business, including administrative tasks, client relationships, and financial planning. Self-motivated, drives own projects and growth, craves variety, enjoys diverse projects and clients, business acumen, manages own marketing and finances. Navigating legal and market realities in 2026. The SAP landscape is continually evolving, and it's essential to stay informed about the broader market and regulatory environment. Regulatory tightening. Markets like Germany are increasing scrutiny on freelance regulations. Understand legal risks such as false self-employment to ensure compliance and protect your business. Networking is key. While demand for SAP freelancers remains high, a strong professional network is critical for securing new contracts and staying competitive in a dynamic market. Skills evolution. Both full-time and freelance roles increasingly demand expertise in AI, machine learning, and cloud technologies. Continuous learning is vital for long-term success. Making your decision. Key questions to ask yourself. Before committing to a path, take time for honest self-reflection. Your answers to these questions will guide you toward the best fit. Income preference. Do you prioritize predictable income, or are you comfortable with higher earning potential coupled with inherent risk? Benefit importance. How crucial are employer-provided benefits like healthcare, retirement plans, and paid leave to your personal and family well-being? Business acumen. Are you prepared and comfortable with the responsibilities of managing your own business, including administrative tasks, client relationships, and financial planning? Specialization versus exposure. Do you prefer to specialize deeply within a single organization or gain broad industry exposure through diverse projects? Control and environment. How much control do you desire over your daily schedule, work environment, and project selection? Your SAP career, your choice. Both freelance and full-time career paths offer rewarding opportunities within the vibrant SAP ecosystem. The right choice ultimately depends on your individual priorities and what you value most in your professional journey. Align with your goals. Choose the path that best aligns with your personality, lifestyle needs, and long-term career aspirations. Stay adaptable. Many successful SAP professionals blend full-time and freelance phases throughout their careers. Be open to evolving your path. Embrace the journey. Whichever you choose, approach it with confidence, a commitment to continuous learning, and a proactive mindset. Ready to decide? Embrace your path with confidence and continuous learning.